I'm always preaching about the way to set up your the trunk of your car, especially for your spare, and that is never put it in the wheel well. Try to keep it on top of everything, because if you get it flat, the last thing you want to have to do is dig through that. And get ready to go to work in the next 20 minutes, and look what I found. I got it flat. But I don't have to worry about digging out my spare tire, because not only is it a full tire, it's not only a spare tire, it's actually a full-size tire. I just have to move this one crate right here, change it, and be on my way. How many times have you seen people on the side of the road with all their luggage and everything else spread out? This is all I had to move. One pick, lay it on the ground, and I can get to my spare, and there's everything I need to change it right here. Here we go, folks. New tire, old tire, and it has a screw right there lodged into it. So right here, I'll fix it tomorrow when I have time. But I also kept my regular wheel well spare in the garage, so it's in the trunk now. So if something happens to another tire, at least I've got a spare. So always keep your spares close at hand, so you can get them out, change them without having to pull every damn thing out of your trunk, and you can get back on the road quicker. This was the one I pulled out. This was the one that was flat, and I've got it repaired now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw this one back in the trunk. Okay? I don't have to worry about jacking the car up again and pulling off the little donut spare, because that was the spare that came out of the trunk. And I threw that one off to the side, so obviously like today I could repair it. In the meantime, I did take my donut spare, which I keep in my shed, and I threw it in back into the trunk here. In case something happened, I had another flat, I would at least have that one as backup. And of course, in order to switch out my spares, I don't have to dig through my trunk. Watch out, Pax. Okay. I've got one little crate I keep on top, pull it out, I'll pull this spare out and replace it with the full size. And there you have it. There's my full spare back in the car. If I have another flat, I'll just switch them out. I'll take my donut and put it back in the shed until hopefully I never need it again. It'll at least be there. Now on top of all this here, I'm going to have this. This is my tire repair kit and my fuse kit right here. It's always on top. That way, if I'm stranded on the side of the road and I just need to make a quick tire repair, I can use this here. If I have a fuse go out, they're always at hand. And also, you know when you buy these tire repair kits, the little tiny cement glue you get? Yeah, forget that. Purchase you a large can. Those little tubes are only good for 1 or 2 flats. This thing here is good for God knows how many. But get you a good can of rubber cement to keep in there also, because those little tubes, they aren't going to do you any good. Now in the next couple weeks, I'm going to be actually purchasing a brand new set of tires for my Kia here, and instead of 4, I will be purchasing 5. That way I'll have a brand new tire as the spare also. Whenever I rotate my tires, the spare is always part of that rotation. It will make the tires, almost double the lifespan.